So if you are seeing this error message on your Remini app, then you need to watch this video to the very end. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Remini. Something went wrong. So if you are seeing this error, please watch this video to the very end. Alright guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take is to go to your phone settings. So right here is your settings. Looking here on your setting, you're going to see where it says apps. So you need to go ahead and click on apps like this. Now once you do that, you need to go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner and search for Remini, because we clearly want to work on Remini. So when you do that, go ahead and click on the app like this. So looking right here, you're going to see where it says storage right here. You need to go ahead and click on that and click on clear cache and clear data. You can see those options at the bottom of the screen. So you need to go ahead and click on the clear cache and also click on clear data and clear the app cache and data of this app. Now if you clear the app data and cache, going back to the app, they're going to ask you to relog into the app. So when you relog into the app, it is clearly going to solve that issue. But if you are still seeing it, you can simply go to your Play Store like this and search for Remini. So if you search for Remini like this, you're going to be able to see the app. So you need to go ahead and update it if yours is out of date. Now if yours is up to date and yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can simply go to the app, tap and hold on the app and uninstall the app from your device. So after uninstalling the app from your device, we'll install it back and check if this issue is going to be fixed. Now if this issue is not yet fixed after reinstalling it, you need to go ahead and restart your device. Maybe it might be a glitch problem from your device. So go ahead and restart your device and clearly this problem is going to be solved. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now like this video, hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe and hit notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next one.